everybody! So today, looking at my latest Birchbox, and Birchbox is a monthly subscription service that sends you makeup, samples, and skincare, hair care, stuff like that. And it's definitely gone out of popularity since they changed their point system, which was one of the big draws. But it's cheap enough that I've still gone ahead and still reviewed it. So let me show you what I got in my latest box. This is $10 a month. So here we go. And the theme this month is called Find Your Happy. So there we are. So the first thing is from Verb. This is a hydrating mask. So that'll be good. Ooh. We have a little eyeshadow palette. This is from the Beauty Crop, and it's brown. 3 shades of brown. Love You So Latte. That'll be good. I'll definitely use that. Okay, then we have from Smashbox. This is Photo Finish Foundation Primer. That'll be good, and a little bit of this goes a long way, so it's a small sample, but I'll be able to use that quite a bit. Okay, then we have from Aero. This is Boost, the Color Enhancing Lip Balm. I like it. I don't know if it enhanced my color much, but it has definitely some essential oils and stuff in it. So that's cool. Last thing in the box is from Bioderma. This is a moisturizing concentrate for dehydrated sensitive skin. It's kind of like that Cetaphil stuff. I don't know if you ever used that. But it's clear. It's not like a lotion. Huh. Interesting. So, I actually think this is pretty good. This is one of the better Birchboxes I've gotten in a long time. I pretty much like every item. And I'll be able to use pretty much every item. So, I'm happy with this one. Let me know what you think of it. And if you get Birchbox, what did you get this last month? And what kind of eyeshadow do you like to use? Put it in the comment section and we'll talk about it. And that'll be fun. And thanks so much. Please subscribe to my channel and I'll talk to you later. Bye!